The man discovered an ancient sword while digging in the earth. Yehua seemed puzzled, and his master beside him said that this was the sword with which his own master had conquered the martial world years ago. However, the master said that he dared not touch the sword, for he did not want to be struck by lightning. No sooner had he finished speaking than a sudden noise came from the sky. Yehua thought it was going to rain and turned around, while the master had already vanished. Then, Yehua called out for his master, who explained that once the sword reappeared in the world, it would attract 3 heavenly lightning strikes. Whoever could endure this trial would be recognized as the sword's rightful owner and become number 1 in the world. Yehua was about to give up, but his master urged him to continue, or his progress would end there forever. Hearing his master's words, Yehua decided he did not want to be underestimated by those he loved, and wanted to be the best in the world. He raised the sword, and in the next moment, the first lightning bolt struck from the sky, immobilizing him on the ground. But when his master peered in, the second bolt followed swiftly. The master feared Yehua was dead, but Yehua crawled out of the hole. Before he could boast, the third bolt struck him. After the dark clouds dissipated, it was proven that the young man had endured all 3 heavenly lightning strikes, and the ancient sword recognized him as its new master. The world was about to witness the rise of a new heir to the sword god.